Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change app screen grid in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to change app screen grid. Now for the first method, just touch and hold on the home screen and then go to settings option. After that go to app screen grid. Now from here you can change your app screen grid. At the bottom you can see four options: 4x5, 4x6, 5x5 and 5x6. And you can set any option as you want. If you want to set 4x6, just select it, then tap on done, and it's done. Now you can see app screen grid has been changed successfully. Now for the second method, just go to your app screen, then tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display, then go to settings option, and here it is. You can also change your app screen grid from here. Also from here you can change your home screen grid and folder grid. And that is how you can change app screen grid in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.